Okay, so we're back again. So really and truly, I mean, I could always change the questions, but whatever. Let's see. Which right? Um, so I don't know. I'm just literally I'm writing random things, right? Don't mind me. Yeah. Just well, really and truly. Why am I even doing that? Fine. Sure. Why not? Alright. Just being ridiculous at the moment. Alright. Anyway, so there's that. Mm, oh, okay, hold on. What do we have? What do we have? Like I say, I'm literally trying to come up with different questions that would actually make sense. And then of course you can get a lot of information out of it. Anyway, let me just answer it. No, I can't answer it. No, I have to preview. I have to preview in order to answer it. All right. Oh, God, why did I forget this? See, I wanted to add another question, or rather another option. Hold on. So there we go. That's an important factor. I forgot about that entirely. Camera quality, definitely. Make that a required question, of course. Make this a required question, of course. Right? Still trying to think of other questions I could put. What other questions can I put there? Okay,